Have you heard me say the phrase, be yourself so the people looking for you can find you? This is my signature phrase. I first said it in 2018, and then it went into my first book, It's About Damn Time. And since then, it's been quoted all over the world. It's on all sorts of merch and posts, and it's just something that people really have implemented in their lives, and it really resonates with a lot of people. Be yourself so the people looking for you can find you. Don't wear a costume. Now, today's day 11 of the 30-day challenge is about you, is about the fact that there's only one of you in the entire world. How cool is that? There's only one of you that exists. When you take your SATs, the standardized testing, as a teenager in the United States, you get points for taking the test by simply putting your name on the test. So I think of it the same way. Like I have points on board simply because I exist, simply because I am me, and I feel really good about that. Like that at the end of the day, when things are going wrong, when things are not feeling great, at least I have that. So at least you have that. You have an edge because there's only one of you. So I want you to think about that and analyze that the next time you're feeling bad about yourself or feeling like something's not going well in your life or in your career or in your company. I am the only one. I'm one of one. How cool is that, right? What I want you to do for your homework is I want you to start a list in your journal, and I want you to fill the page with things that make you unique. Now, what's going to happen is you're going to start writing things, and it's not going to be that everything you write is unique. You're the only person who likes basketball or the only person who's great at math, right? But you're going to write these things down in a list, things about yourself that you know that are qualities of yours and hobbies and interests and all of that. And as you write it down, the more you write, the more it gets more and more unique. You see what I'm saying? Like the more inputs you have, the more the output has its own unique signature. And so I want you to write that down on a page, things that you like, things that people have said about you, friends and family have complimented you on, things that make you you that stand out. If I were asking someone who knows you, how would you describe dot dot dot? What would they say? And I want you to write those down and start to really see the unique recipe that is you. Keep that list because, like I said, all of these days that we're working on, they stack and build upon each other. So everything that you learned in Clarity Week, everything that you're learning in the Confidence Week, all of that will lead up to the Capital Week and beyond. And if you want to go back and look at any of the older videos, make sure you go to the playlist that is at the end of this video. The playlist is where you go to see all of the videos in this 30-day challenge. Check it out.